Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XCO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that there's no doubt about it, this thing is currently bouncing very nicely. I can't imagine anybody saying and sitting here and saying, well, from where it was down here to where it is right now, this hasn't been a good move. No, it's been a good move. It's been a nice bounce. But that does bring up the logical question. But is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce, or in other words, a fake bounce? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 71 cents. Why is 71 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, bounces that are actually bounces, well, the price is going to continue to move forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 71 cents. Any sort of closes below 71 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of the previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress over time. So does today's move mean anything? Is there any sort of genuine momentum? Well, let's see if the price can start to build those stair steps, and I'm defining, again, that stair step at 71 cents. In regards to levels of resistance, to me, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way downwards. You can see it's already acted as resistance right there and back here a few times. So that'll be the key kind of hurdle that the bulls are going to have to cross. But as it stands right now, breaking levels of resistance, not the top priority, more so just building higher bases, putting in higher lows. That's going to go a lot longer at this point in terms of trying to establish some sort of turnaround for the chart. So we'll see if the bulls can do it or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, like, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.